I'm Jess Mitchell. I'm Director of YourQS Australia, and we do 3D cost estimates for builders. We've developed a way to determine the detailed costs and scope for residential construction projects. We take the 2D plans, they might be concept plans, we then model in the geometry into our software. From that geometry, we're able to extract the detailed materials and labour estimates to be able to form a very comprehensive cost breakdown. Our typical process is that a builder would approach us with a set of plans for their building project or renovation. We then take those plans and prepare a fee proposal based on that project alone. So our fee is an estimate of how long we expect to take to prepare that estimate. When you receive one of our estimates, you receive two reports. One is intended for the client, the other for the builder. In the builder's report, there'll be a detailed breakdown of the labour material quantities. There's also 3D visualizations throughout the report which itemizes out each element. And these are things like interior and exterior walls or the roof, windows, doors. In the client report, you'll see a summarized version of the same thing. It's rolled up to the elemental level rather than having everything broken out. In addition to these two reports, you receive an Excel spreadsheet that has a breakout of all of the costs and quantities that we've relied upon. The Excel spreadsheet will allow you to import this estimate into your project control software and track costs against each of the items we've estimated. So one of the problems that estimators face is that at the time when they're estimating, there's a lack of detail. So coming up with a detailed estimate of the project and understanding the scope is very difficult if there's a lack of detailed design information to rely upon. Defining the scope on residential projects is complex, and this is always a challenge for builders. YourQS assists builders by detailing out that scope in a transparent manner so that they can understand it better. So one of the key benefits is accuracy. So when a builder is trying to quote a project, often there's not enough information to work from to get a good, accurate estimate. So on a recent project, a homeowner approached the builder we're working with conceptual plans. Now, he had to provide a tender price, which was going to be locked into the contract. We were able to provide an immense amount of detail and form an accurate price for that builder. Now, typically with concept plans, you have to make assumptions on what will be included in the scope. We were able to itemize those assumptions out so that the builder and the homeowner could agree on what was included in the project and what didn't need to be in the project. Essentially, they were able to lock in a price which related to exactly what the homeowner wanted. We understand the complexities to estimating residential projects. Builders need to turn the estimates around quickly. They need to be on top of current pricing and fluctuations, and they need to be able to get a suitable level of detail out of the design so that they have confidence in the price that they're offering. YourQS assists builders with this challenge by leveraging our in-house software, which allows us to turn estimates around very quickly and with a large amount of detail, even when that's not available in the design. We link in supplier and trade prices for labour, equipment and material quantities. One of the concerns we hear regularly from builders is that they don't have confidence in estimators' pricing. Now, where YourQS is different is we provided all the detail that we've relied upon so that the builder can verify it and change it if required. This is something other estimators can't do because it would just take too long. But YourQS is able to do it because of the in-house software we've developed. Give us a call to discuss the needs of your specific project, or for more information, check out our website.